Morning everyone, it is a little after 6 o'clock in the morning. We've just got a full tank and we're heading off to Salisbury to get the back seats fitted in the van. This is a very exciting day. I've got about a 2-hour drive ahead of me, so some snacks in here. We're going to hit the road. Let's go. It is now 8:30 in the morning. I've arrived in Salisbury. I've just dropped off Elsie, our van, at CoTrim, who are fitting the KOMBI bench seat as we speak. I am now going to make use of the time that I have by attempting to visit Salisbury Cathedral. I've driven past Salisbury many times but never actually landed here, and first opportunity to see that or to visit it. I hear it's very special. I'm excited actually. So from their workshop, CoTrim, to Salisbury Cathedral is about a half-hour walk, and the job is estimated to take a maximum of 4 hours. So I'm excited to spend maybe a couple of hours at the cathedral.
At the roundabout, take the first exit onto Lower Road.
Got to go that way to Lower Road. As you can see, Google is helping me find the cathedral. Thank you, Google. It's blooming cold though. Well, I have just fetched my first glance of what I imagine to be my destination. There's a very, very handsome spire just that way, and I think that's where I'm heading. It's got to be. There's a much smaller spire over there, so I doubt it's that one. One of the mechanics at CoTrim tells me it's the tallest spire in Europe, so I don't know, we'll have to check all that out. Looks pretty big to me. This place is so huge I can't even capture it all in one frame without walking over the road. She's sitting outside, hopefully that means she's done. Hello everyone, the seats are all in, thanks to the guys at CoTrim, done a great job. I'm not going to show you yet because obviously, as you can see, I'm already booting it in the van to get back home, because my sat nav tells me that if I have a clean run I might be able to get back in time to do the school pickup with the boys, and I could not resist trying to get home in time to do the school pickup for the boys for the first time they've seen the seats. So I will show you the seats and I'll have a look at them properly for myself for the first time when I get home, and I'm not far away now. This is a proper game-changing moment for us in the conversion process of this van, because having these seats finally means the whole family can go out on a little adventure together, because up until now we've only had 3 seats. So with 4 of us we've been one shy all the time. So finally we have a full complement of seats and we can take everybody with us. We are home. We are home. Last little bit and we are there. This is so cool. And I've got 30 minutes before the boys need to be picked up. So first things first, I will show Shelley, my wife, and then we will go and pick up the boys. decided to confuse me by parking in a different place to normal. So back home, and there she is. That's the seat. So it comes complete with seat belts. Lovely. What a lovely little thing. And it's a fold down. So next we need to get these windows in on both sides, then we are going to be fully ready to go. So it's just so cool because if you look in the front here, that's it's called the Inca trim from the old T4s and T5s, and this has got the same trim. So the reason why we bought this seat was because it matched exactly the seats we already have. So this is an original KOMBI seat from a T5, and the guys down at CoTrim have slotted it into our van for us, and it works an absolute treat. It's really good condition. So although it's obviously second hand, it is a really in good nick. So we're delighted. The person that had it before us obviously didn't give it much usage, which is ideal. So let's go on a family adventure. If you have been, thanks for watching. There'll be more soon. First time ever with all four of us in the van. We're in. Haha! Yes! We've done it.